Good morning, everyone. This is Clayton Sorensen, Cash Money Clay. It is March 23rd. It is Thursday. So Thursday, as you know, I do Friday news also. So let's get into the markets here. GBP is coming out here at 8 o'clock Eastern time. They got some like bank rates coming out. Official bank rate, they're going to they're talking raise to another 1/4% over there too. So they're going to be actually going up to 4.25% is actually what they're projected for. So that'll be that will move the markets a little bit. It will have a little effect on the markets for sure. 8:30 unemployment claims come out. So we need this number to be less. And it's actually growing a little bit. 192K to 198K. It's growing a little bit, which is in the wrong direction. So just be careful around 8:30 there. Got new home sales. This is actually a good one here at 10 a.m. this morning. Existing home sales. We do have 170K to 150. We need this number to be greater. It's actually coming down lower. So by 20K. So we need this number actually to be higher than 167. So moving in the wrong direction there for sure. Natural gas is a big one too. We should never have this as a yellow folder. Actually, this is one of our big commodities. This is what fuels, a lot of like our gas stoves, different, natural gas stuff. So we need it. So they should actually have this more off of a like red folder or something. So we need this number actually to be they're actually counting for it to be less. So which is actually going to be way more. So by quite like about by almost 20 billion is what they're saying difference in it. So let's see here. Otherwise, through the day, it's actually pretty quiet. We don't have really anything till natural core CPI coming out till later here. JPY. But otherwise, it's nothing going till about Friday. Going to 3 a.m. retail sales GBP. So we're gonna have come into Friday morning with a bunch of stuff coming about 3 a.m. Moving on. So it's a lot in there. The euro is coming out with the French, the German, coming out with all their PMI stuff coming out. So we have a lot of stuff coming out from 4:15 to 5 a.m. coming out on that, all that stuff there. We do have GBP, flash manufacturing, PMI coming out. So we'll have to see here. This one here on GBP is something that we should all like really watch and see what happens. We need this number has to be greater. It is actually going to go up, so that's going to actually help a lot. So it's basically manufacturing companies of what they've been producing, what their orders are, stuff like that. That's what that means. So you need the orders. 8:30, we have core retail sales coming out on Canada retail sales, your dual good orders, all that good stuff. The core or sorry, I missed over went over too far. So core retail sales of Canada and retail sales on Canada coming out. And then the US has their core dual goods and just dual good orders coming out month over month. And this is a big one here. So we have it going the wrong direction. Okay. We need the number to be greater. So 0.08 to 0.2, that is in the wrong direction. We need it to go up. So, and then the other one is going in the right direction. So this could kind of actually overbalance itself in the markets. Might not see much of a movement if it lands on those numbers here. So we might not see much of a movements going on in the market. The US, the flash manufacturing PMI coming out at 9:45 and flash services coming out. So we just need this one here to be greater on it. I mean, I know it says red folders, but these here, I wouldn't really worry about it too much. here. But just that's pretty much it for the news. We have a lot of daylight saving time shifts coming out here this weekend. The chef, the Euro, and GBP's on daylight savings time. So that is pretty much the news for there. The DXY is actually coming out slightly. It's coming out slightly lower. We're having a little pullback in the market right now. I could see it maybe. Ooh, it's a good thing. I don't know what's really gonna do today. It's kind of one of those things that's kind of up in the air right now. It can go either direction, even with this news coming out today. So especially on unemployment claims, to see what that does, it'll push that dollar. So otherwise, that is your news for the week, and we'll see you guys next weekend. Bye.